do all our work in the rough. It gets tough, but we're artistically buff.
We are graphic designers.
Yeah, we just can't get enough. And you can try, but you won't call our bluff.
We are graphic designers.
So whether subtle or blatant, developed or latent, we'll keep on designing until your mind's no longer vacant.
We are graphic designers.
If you just use your eyes, then you will not be surprised.
We are graphic designers. We are graphic designers. We are graphic designers.
That our kind has been around since before Gutenberg arrived with movable type, creating literacy hype. It's all a chain of events. This didn't happen overnight, but now that we're here, we ain't going away. So tell your mom and your pa that you're coming out to play in the visual playground that exists everywhere, from every blank page and screen to every billboard bare.